Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the content division of sectors as organized and unorganized. As in earlier class, you also have read about that organized and unorganized. In detail, we are going to read that. Okay. And two example they have given there, Kanta and Kamal. You read it thoroughly. And organized sector. What do you mean by organized sector? What is in this? Okay, we are discussing about that. कि organized sector covers enterprises or places of work where the term of employed are regular and therefore people. Organized sector, government sector is there. They have followed the rule made by the government. They are registered by the government, have to follow its rule and regulation, which are given in various laws such as factories, etc., minimum wages, etc., payment of gratuity, etc. Gratuity, etc. Okay, and shops and establishment act, etc. It all are considered as a organized sector. It means if they have the time limit 9 to 5, it means 9 to 5. After 5 they are not do the work. If in factories and other places they do the work on that time, government always give the your companies always give the wages to them. Your government also, if they are going to give the extra time in your factories and other places. Okay, this one is your organized sector. And next, organized sector, there are so many facilities given by the government. It has some formal processes and procedure, may not be implied by the anyone, but may work कि all appointment will be on the basis of the caliber of the people which they are going to join the sector. All formalities done by the people and they occupy the public sector job. Okay, public sector always work under the government. And organized sector, what enjoys the security of employment. You take the example of this. These days lockdown is there and your private sector is there, teachers are doing the work, and you know about in government sector they are full-fledged salary given to them. Only one day they are going to deduct. But in private sector, you see some schools they have not able to give the money because they all depend on the students and fees of the students given by the parents. Okay, and this one is a organized sector. In organized sector there will be no problem for the teachers, but in private sector it means secured job in government sector, not in private sector. And you know about that, so many workers and people being unemployed by the factories and industries, they have no work. Then they said to them that we have no work, then how we will give the work to you people. And then all people return to their native place. It means secure job secured is not there. Okay, and facilities given by them, they paid overtime work also, get several other benefit. What benefit they have given? Leave encashment also. Okay, provident fund they have, gratuity they have, and supposed to get medical facility they also take medical facility. Okay, has to ensure facility like drinking water and safe working environment given in the your organized sector. And this one is your organized. And what happen in unorganized sector? कि small and scattered unit which are largely outside the control, कि all which field government are not controlled, they all are unorganized, and their job is also not secured. No leave encashment, no rule and regulation followed made by the government followed by the unorganized sector. Their rule and regulation their own. They are not going to obey the rule and regulation made by the government. This one is your unorganized sector. holiday, leave due to sickness, each and everything. Not some places they have not any procedure provision of them, not overtime, not paid leave, no holiday, leave due to sickness, and etc. Key employment also not secure. You see how many people return their home during lockdown, and no, they sit idle at home, they have no work. Okay, people can be asked to leave without any reason. If they are going to take the leave, they give the reason why you are going to absent. Ki when there is less work, such as during some season mean कि in when you are harvesting season, on that time the factories also have the work, and people on that time people will be there more, and when work finished on that time they send to the home कि they have no any work, then why you are working in the factory and other places. कि their unorganized sector job never secured, never facilities given by the employer. Okay, and this sector large number of people who are employed on their own doing small jobs, or as selling on the street, doing repair work, and farmer work on their own and hire laborers as when they required. कि farmer when they are going to require the labor, on that time they hire the labor, and when work is not there, then you see how they will take the livelihood, how they are going to survive, and how they are earn the money. कि all things are done in unorganized sector. Mean one thing is there कि job is not secured, and there is a let's work. These ought you do read it the content carefully, and after that you do. Don't let's work these out. Okay, thank you beta.